Okay, so our final decision making statement is here. After if, we have switch, and then we have a condition tag. It is a very simple and one line condition making statement. What you do, the syntax is like this. You put the condition over here, and we add the question mark here to make the system decide what to do. If the condition is true, it is pretty much same as the simple if you forget about everything, switch, else if else, just think about simple if. So just like this, you see, this is if, and to make it simpler, one line and easy, we use condition statement. But a lot of the time if is the most commonly used because it gives you more flexibility and control over the condition tag. So basically we will gonna see the difference here. And condition is not like switch, because switch only check for the equality. Condition you can set exactly the same as if, any condition, equals to, not equals to, greater, less than, greater, equal, less than, equal, everything. You can check everything. So if I'm gonna just set this back to the numbers and remove the if, get back to the syntax of our condition tag. Here we provide what to do. If the condition match, do this. If condition doesn't match, then do this. Like if we have to go with the false condition, like if a is equals to b, then print this. But if a is not equals to b, we have to set else, or another if with not equals. Else come by default. You cannot leave condition tag with just true part. You have to add the false part as well. Whether to leave it empty, but you have to have it. So we will gonna see it. So for instance, if a is equals to b, then print a equals to b. Otherwise, print a not equals to b. Now you must be wondering how it will gonna print. There is no echo. Exactly, this is the echo. See, instead of all this, if a equals to b, echo a b, else echo a not equals to b, all this converted into a single line with the same functionality. Else if or if have more options, more control, more flexibility than condition tag. So if we run this time, it will gonna run the else part. Save it, go back, a not equals to b. But if we change the value, or let's say 3 here, and change the condition here, if a less than equals to c and a less than equals to b. If it is smaller than c as well as smaller than b, then true, return true, otherwise return false or print false. So this time it will gonna return true because 2 is smaller than both of the values. But if we set 1, it will not gonna run because it is 1 is smaller than 2. Or we can go with this. Let's say we can set if a greater than c, means a2 greater than c, which is 1, and a2 less than equals to b, which is 4. This time it will gonna return true. You see, perfect. So that's our condition tag. So hopefully I have covered everything that you have in your mind and you were looking for. This is the end of our condition making part of programming. Now in next video, we're gonna look into the another most important part, which is loops. Take care for now. Bye bye.